Yeah, what's going on? So today we have a video from behind the mugshot, and the title of the video is Friend Pulls Up to DUI Investigation, Meets No Nonsense Cop, and then gets herself arrested for DUI. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
This girl was caught speeding, doing 70 in a 55. She was rude.
Talking over me. I'm trying to answer your question.
Yes, sir. I'll stay quiet. Go
Very
ahead.
hard for me.
Okay, but I don't understand what I did
Okay,
wrong.
well, ma'am.
Refused every test.
I would like to call my mom.
Are you willing to do these exercises?
I don't want to.
And when her friend pulled up to check on her, the cop arrested her too.
I'm
So
shivering.
why do you have an odor of an alcoholic beverage on your breath?
Mom, he's trying to say I have alcohol in my breath.
Speaking to you.
I'm talking to my lawyer, who's my dad.
Morning.
Hi, sir.
Officer, Police Department. Ma'am, do you have any idea why I pulled you over?
No idea.
There's a couple reasons.
Okay.
All right, first off, do you know what the speed limit right here is?
70?
No, it's
No.
only 55.
Okay.
You know how fast you were going?
No idea.
I got you at 76.
Okay.
Okay, second off, it's nighttime, and I don't know if you noticed your lights are turned off.
I had no. Well, I turned off my car because you were coming over here and I put my kids up here.
No, that's
but-
part of the reason I stopped you is because your lights are turned off. Now, is there a reason you were following that vehicle in front of you so closely?
Yeah, that's my best friend. We were just playing wolf.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Not a lot.
How much is not a lot?
Like a drink.
Just a drink?
Yes.
What was it?
A beer and a
Just a beer?
Yes.
Okay. Will you step out of the vehicle for me? Close the door. Just stand right over there so you're not so close to the street, okay? I'll be right back with you. 681. Looks like their friends are wanting to pull up next to us. If you could start me at 54, not 19. Are you stand right over here for me, ma'am?
Yeah.
Right here where my light is. Stay in your vehicle. Stay in your vehicle. Don't come out here on the interstate. Stay in your car. All right. The reason I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle is based on your driving and some observations I'm making while speaking with you.
Okay.
I have a little bit of concern about your sobriety. I want to ensure it's actually safe
My
for you to be
sobriety?
driving. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
After a beer.
Now-
Okay.
Sometimes people tell me that and it's
Yeah,
true.
that's fine.
Sometimes people tell me that and it's false.
My uncle's a cop, I understand.
So it's my job to discern what's true and what's
100%.
not.
I'm going to be respectful.
So, like I said, the reason I asked you to step out is so I can ensure it's actually safe for you to be driving.
Okay.
Okay. Now, do you suffer from any medical issues I might need to be aware of?
Just anxiety and depression.
Right. What I asked you was, does that
understand what you
medication
asked
have warnings on the label about consuming alcohol?
I mean, it says cause dizziness. I mean, I don't read into it. It just says, I mean,
Okay.
I don't know what
Does
it
it-
exactly says on the bottle.
So you don't know of any warning on it that says don't drink
I mean,
alcohol
it
with
says,
it?
I mean, but I'm not drunk. I drank an Angry Orchard.
I was just asking a simple question. If the
I
medication
don't know,
has
sir.
any...
I said it causes dizziness. That's all I know of it.
Okay. All right. Now, one of the things I'd like to do to help me determine your sobriety is check your eye.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Just stand right where you're at.
Is this like a sobriety test? Because I don't agree to that. Did you hear that?
Hold on. All right. Well, I can't force you to do anything you don't want to do. Okay.
Well,
But
I'm just telling you.
I
Like,
have to let you know that this is part of field sobriety.
okay.
Okay. I didn't pull you out of the car for just no reason. Okay. This
Yeah,
is
but it
designed.
wasn't like I
Let me
was
finish.
Yes, sir.
Let me finish.
Yes, sir.
All right. This is part of the exercises to help me determine whether you're impaired or not.
I was just asking if this was a DUI
You,
or like.
you keep talking over me. I'm trying to answer your
Yes,
question.
sir. I'll stay quiet.
It's
Go
very
ahead.
hard for me to answer
Okay,
your
go
question
ahead.
if you
Yes,
keep
sir.
talking over me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like I said, I have some concern about your sobriety.
Okay.
Okay. And these exercises are designed to help me determine whether you're impaired or not.
Okay.
Okay. I don't arrest everybody that I investigate.
Okay.
Okay. But if you refuse to do those field sobriety exercises, I then have to make a decision of whether you should be arrested or for a DUI or not,
Okay.
based on my observations so far.
Okay.
Okay. And if you were arrested,
Yes, sir.
the fact that you refuse to do those field sobriety exercises
Yes, sir.
could be used as evidence against you in court.
Okay.
Okay, at this point, I'm asking to check your eyes to help me determine your sobriety because that is part of those field sobriety
Yes, sir.
exercises.
Is
All
there
right.
someone coming?
Yes, this is my backup officer.
What's his name? Hello. What's your name? Okay.
All right, so is it all right if I check your eyes to help me determine your sobriety?
Can I call my mom before I do all this?
Okay, no, ma'am, you're an adult. Okay, I'm asking you to
Yeah,
participate.
she can check my eyes.
Okay, all right. Can you see the light I'm holding in front of your face?
Yes, it's red.
Okay, that was going to be my next question. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to look at that red light.
Okay.
Follow the red light with your eyes only.
Yes, sir.
Keep your head completely still.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, Try not to move your head. I need you to keep your head completely still. Let's try that again.
It's hard when you're in the flash.
All right, you can relax. All right, ma'am. Listen, I'm seeing what's called 6 out of 6 clues of impairment during that horizontal gaze and stagnance exercise. Okay, so I'd like to continue my investigation and ask that you perform some additional. Can you just describe what that means?
Okay,
yeah. Horizontal gaze and stagnance is something that can be caused by CNS depressants or central nervous system. It's your eyes are displaying.
My eyes are what? I followed you perfectly.
Attributes of.
How can someone not be?
Listen, once you do them field sobriety tests, you're cooked. You're cooked. I know the officer says, I don't arrest everybody who does them, yada, yada, yada. But look, 9.5 times out of 10, you going to jail. You got a 0.5 chance of not getting charged with DUI. That's my own mathematical equation. I don't know if it's true or not, but it sounds good to me, okay? And if it sounds good to me, it's true to me, all right? But yeah, she is she's cooked. She's cooked. She's definitely had a few drinks. I wouldn't say she's that bad, like as far as like you know, we've seen people like stumbling and all that type of stuff. But if she's swerving all over the road and doing different things, you know, breaking the traffic laws and stuff, I mean, you're caught. And clearly by the title, it says, you know, friend pulls up to DUI investigation. So hopefully the friend hasn't been drinking, because you dragging yourself into a situation that absolutely has nothing to do with you. So let's get back into the video. Let's see what's going on here.
Question, I'm trying to answer it.
Okay, but I don't understand what I did wrong.
Okay, well, ma'am,
like it's giving me like
I've taken literally hundreds of hours of courses on DUIs.
I understand.
And you're asking me to explain it here in a couple of seconds, and I'm trying to, but you keep talking over me.
I'm not talking over you. You weren't even speaking.
Okay. Well, in any event,
I'm trying to be very respectful. I understand. My uncle's a cop from Boca. Like, I understand it.
Let me know when you're done, and I'll continue. All right. As I was saying, I'd like to continue my investigation and ask that you perform some additional field sobriety exercises that would consist of you walking a line and standing on one leg. Do you have any injuries or physical defects that would prevent you from being able to walk a line or stand on one leg? All right. Are you declining to perform those field sobriety exercises?
I don't understand why. Like, I'm not even.
Because I think you might be impaired.
I'm literally freezing. Like, I don't understand. I would like to call my mom.
All right. Are you willing to do these exercises?
I don't want to. No.
Go ahead and turn around, put your hands behind your back. You are under arrest for DUI.
Why?
All right. Because I think you're impaired. Okay. Now.
So if I do these, then I'm not arrested.
That's not what I said, man. Okay. I've given you the opportunity to perform the exercises. You don't want to do them. I'm not going to force you to do them. Okay. Now.
I'll do them if it doesn't cause me to be arrested.
Now, your car does smell like. Is there anything in the car that I need to be concerned about?
Not that I don't get a smoke shop that I'm 21 on.
All right, so the next part of this process, I'm going to take you down to central breath testing. I'm going to give you an opportunity to take a breath test.
I don't want to do it.
Oh, okay. All right, well, there are consequences to refusing the breath test. I'll explain those to you here in just a moment.
Am I allowed my phone here?
Yeah, I'll grab your phone for you.
Okay.
All right, step right over here for me. I'm now requesting you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Do you understand what I've just read to you?
I mean, can I read it for myself?
All right, this is what I just read here.
So if I refuse to do this, my license is suspended.
Correct.
Okay. So that means.
Do you have any questions about? Do you have any questions about the warrant?
Yeah. So like, what about like driving to work?
I'm sorry?
What about driving to work?
Your license would be suspended. That means
so
you
I
cannot
can't
drive.
I can't go to work.
Okay. If your license is suspended, that means you cannot legally drive.
Not even to work.
If your license is suspended,
I just
that
asked
means
you a
you
question. You're
cannot
not saying
legally
yes or
drive.
No. I'm asking you
If
yes
your
or no.
license is
Then
suspended,
no, I refuse.
that means you cannot
I
drive.
refuse.
Okay. So you have any questions about the warning?
I asked you and you didn't answer.
I answered your question. Yes, ma'am.
You keep repeating the same answer.
Correct.
So it's a yes or no question. I can't drive to work. Yes or no?
You cannot drive.
I cannot drive to work.
Okay. All right. If you change your mind, let me know.
Okay. So I asked for
and I
the
answered
body
it.
cam. I asked
Yes,
for a
ma'am.
question and
that
he
means
did not
you
say
cannot
yes or no.
drive.
To work. To work. Can I ask that guy?
If you're going to work, are you driving,
can I
ma'am?
ask you?
If you're going to work, are you driving?
Would you like to give
Yes.
her friend an opportunity?
Then you cannot drive.
Okay.
All right, what's that?
Would you like to give her friend an opportunity to talk to her or no?
No, so she's being ridiculous. Your friend's being arrested for DUI.
A DUI?
Yes,
Is there
ma'am.
any way that I can say like a couple of words to her really quickly?
No.
No.
Okay.
And her car's being towed. Do you know
How
where?
much have you had to drink tonight?
I have not had any. I'm
So why do
shivering.
you have an odor of an alcoholic beverage on your breath?
Mom, he's trying to say I have alcohol in my breath. I have
Well,
not
you do.
drank.
You're sitting here talking in my face, and I can smell the alcohol in your breath. Tell you what, ma'am. You step right over here for me, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm speaking to you.
I'm talking to my lawyer, who's my dad.
Oh,
Give me
okay.
1 second.
Well, right
Excuse
now
me,
you're
Dad?
being detained for a DUI investigation. So step over here to my vehicle.
Sir, I have not.
Yes, ma'am. Step right over here, ma'am. Ma'am, you need to step right over here.
Talk to you, sir. I'm okay.
Okay, I just explained to you, you are being detained for a DUI investigation. Okay, so step right over here.
Anything wrong? I was just trying to follow my friend.
Actually, your friend was following you.
Yeah.
You should have mind your business. You should have mind your business and kept it pushing. Cannot believe this. Can you believe this? Mind your business. You know this officer is on 10. He ready to he locking up everybody. Oh my goodness. You stopped, tried to get out the car, tried to come to. Can I say something to her? No. What's that? What's that I smell? Oh, why do you have an alcoholic beverage coming off of your breath? Oh. Cooked. She's like, I gotta talk to my lawyer, which is my dad. Well, you're cooked today. You should have minded your business.
Right over here to the front of my car.
Dad, what is going on?
So I don't want you to be so close to the roadway. Can you
I'm sorry.
step over here?
Sorry.
Okay. The reason I'm speaking to you right now, okay, is I stopped your friend for speeding, tailgating, driving on the lights. Okay, she was right on you, so you were speeding as well. Okay. You decided to interject yourself into this traffic stop, and while speaking with you, I'm noticing you're slurring your speech. You have bloodshot, glassy eyes, and you do, in fact, have a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage on your breath. Okay, you can deny it, but you do. You're also wearing a club admissions wristband on your right wrist. So one of the things I'd like to do to help me determine your sobriety is check your eyes.
So I refuse any test.
Okay, well, if you refuse to do any kind of field sobriety exercises, I then have to make a decision of whether you should get arrested for a DUI or not based on my observations thus far.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I have to let you know that if I do arrest you for a DUI and you refuse to do those field sobriety exercises, that refusal can be used as evidence against you in court.
Yep.
You understand that?
Understood.
Also, if you do field sobriety exercises and you do not display signs of impairment, I would not arrest you for a DUI.
Understood.
Okay, because I don't arrest everybody that I investigate,
Understood.
contrary to popular belief. Do you understand all
Understood.
that? Okay. So I'm asking you right now if I can check your eyes to help me determine your sobriety.
No, you cannot. I
All right,
refuse.
you're under arrest for DUI. Put your hands behind your back.
Dad, I'm under arrest, so please fucking call anything.
All right, ma'am, the next part of this process, I'm going to take you down to central breath testing. I'm going to give you an opportunity to take a breath test. Okay, are you going to take the breath test? You're going to refuse? Okay, there are consequences to refusing. Okay, step right over here. Wow, for somebody who hasn't been drinking, you sure do reek like booze. Go ahead and have a seat.
I will get my phone, right?
Yep.
He's trying to say I have alcohol in my breath.
They were both charged with driving under the influence and breath test refusal, and the first driver's case is still ongoing. The second driver entered a no-contest plea, and her charge was reduced from DUI to reckless driving, and she was sentenced to 75 hours of community service, 12 months of county reporting probation, suspension of her driver's license, no early termination, attend DUI school, cannot visit locations whose primary source of income is from the sale or distribution of alcohol, and many other obligations.
cooked. I mean, at least she got to reduce the reckless driving or whatever. That's probably thanks to her daddy lawyer, right? But this was just unnecessary. I mean, if I know I'm hot, I'm out of there. You hear me? I'm going to catch you. Girl, call me when you get out. That's what she should have did. Girl, call me when you get out. Yeah, I'm gone. She wasn't following me. The friend gets pulled over for speeding, but she's following you, so you're really the one that's speeding. Oh yeah, I'm gone. You ain't gonna catch me. You ain't gotta worry about me. Man, that officer is on 10. He keeping the road safe. He take his job serious. You hear me? But yeah, so I give this officer 4 out of 5, man. I think he did a good job. You know, he definitely kept it professional. You can tell he got a little attitude, you know what I'm saying? But he did keep it professional. You know what I'm saying? No, literally the title, No Nonsense Cop. The title of this video is Friend Pulls Up to DUI Investigation Meets No Nonsense Cop. This guy right here is the true definition of a no nonsense cop. Kept it very professional, you know? So anyway, let me know how well you think the officer did down in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.